Allocate. Distribute resources or duties for a particular purpose. The manager allocate duties to the assistants. The local council has decided to allocate funds for the project. Allege. Claim that someone has done something wrong or illegal. It was alleged that the policeman had accepted bribes. It has been alleged that Tony stole the money. Adopt. To take a child into your family and treat him/her as your own child by law. I have decided to adopt a child. Sarah's father has adopted a dog for her. Accuse. Charge someone with an offense or crime. Sarah and Jack accused each other of breaking the pot. He was accused of murdering his wife's lover. Access. A way of entering or reaching a place. Only authorized person has access to the gym. They don't have access to open the door. Gather. To come or be brought together in a group. Jack and his team gather round in a circle. The children gather for dine out. Amend. Make minor changes in a text to make it more up-to-date or more accurate. Parliament will vote to amend the Constitution. Please amend the declaration on your application. Anxious. Worried and afraid. My parents are anxious about my future. I am anxious about my upcoming exam result. Perplexed. Not understanding something. Confused. This question perplexed me. I am perplexed to know what to do. Encourage. To give hope, support or confidence to somebody. Sarah's friends encourage her to studies. Don't encourage bad habits in a child. Courage. The ability to control fear in a situation that may be dangerous or unpleasant. Firefighters have the courage to help children. Men don't follow titles, they follow courage. Coward. No courage and afraid in dangerous or unpleasant situations. The lion must not be a coward. You coward. What are you afraid of? Clink. To give out a slight, sharp, short, metallic sound. When they drink, they clinks the bottle together. I heard the clink of coins in his pockets. Generous. Happy to give more money, help, etc. His charity bespeaks a generous nature. He was generous with her money. Hectic. Very busy with a lot of things that you have to do quickly. It was really hectic at work today. I have a hectic schedule for the next few days. Surprise. When something happens that you do not expect. What a surprise to find you here. Don't tell him about the present, it's a surprise. Eager. Strongly wanting to do something. Everyone in the class seemed eager to speak. She is eager for her parents' approval. Dumb. Showing a lack of intelligence. It was dumb of you to cut that branch. She is very kind to the dumb children. Achieve. To complete something by hard work and skill. Whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. Our aim is to achieve greater market penetration. Deceive. To try to make somebody believe something that is not true. His attempt to deceive me was foiled. Don't deceive under any circumstance. Effort. Something that takes a lot of energy. I decided to make one more effort. He lifted up the rock with more effort. Flaunt. To show something that you are proud of so that other people will admire it. Her behavior was an outrageous flaunt. One secret he learned very early on was not to flaunt his success. leftover. Something, especially food, remaining after the rest has been used. She poured the leftover food into a dustbin. The birds would eat any leftover food scraps.